Now, the topic is formation of cyclones. Cyclones are caused by warm, moisture bearing air over the oceans. Cyclones are usually formed in low pressure regions where air gets easily heated by the sun. Cyclones usually कहाँ form होते हैं? In the low pressure regions जहाँ पे air easily heat up हो जाती है by the sun. Warm air rises up carrying the water vapor. As this moisture-laden air rises and reaches the cooler regions of the atmosphere, the water vapor gets condensed into small water droplets which form high thunder clouds. मॉइस्चर लैडन एयर जो होती है ये राइज अप होती है और ये रीच कहाँ करती है? कूलर रीजन्स पे ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर. वाटर वेपर्स कंडेंस्ड हो जाते हैं into smaller water droplets में, then they form high thunder clouds. When water vapor condenses into droplets, a lot of heat is released into the air which heats this air further. वो फिर दोबारा हीट कर देती है एयर को further. Hot air further rises and creates a low pressure region. When the hot air rises up, जब hot air rise up करती है, then the cold air rushes into the low pressure region created by the rising hot air. जो cold air होती है वो कहाँ चली जाती है? Low pressure regions पे, which was created by the rising hot air. The wind thus flows in a spiral manner at a very high speed. तो ऐसे ही wind flow करती है किस manner में? Spiral manner में, in a very high speed. The airflow becomes spiral due to the effect of rotation of the earth about its own axis. Spiral क्यों हो जाती है air? Because due to the effect of rotation of the earth about its own axis. So this process continues and produces a very low pressure region, causing winds to move still faster. This rotating winds forms a huge spiral of diameter ranging from a few kilometers to a few hundred kilometers. A cyclone is a low pressure area surrounded by a high pressure region of swirling air. The center of a cyclone is called its eye. जो center होता है cyclone का उसे eye बोलते हैं. The eye of the cyclone has the lowest pressure and it is a calm and cloudless area. The part that is known as eye that has the lowest pressure and it is very calm and it is cloudless area. वहाँ पे clouds नहीं होते. The diameter of the eye is around a few kilometers. Heavy winds and rains are formed around this eye of this cyclone. As the cyclones develop in the sea, they start moving towards the land near the ocean with a high speed. This high speed wind creates large and strong sea waves which may be several meters high. और जो ये high speed wind होती है that creates very large and strong sea waves that may be very up to very high meters. These waves are strong enough to cause destructions to the shore. Cyclones are called by different names in different countries. In America, it is called a hurricane. In Japan and Philippines, it is called a typhoon. इसके अलग अलग names होते हैं अलग अलग countries में. In the month of October 2013, a several tropical cyclone named Phelan made landfall in the northeast region of India. It was the second strongest tropical cyclone ever to have landfall in India. This one was the strongest tropical cyclone in 2013, which was known as Phelan. Destruction by cyclones. Huge waves produced by the strong winds and accompanied by rains hit the shores and cause heavy floods in the nearby areas. The strong winds can damage buildings, uproot trees, and disrupt electrical and communication lines, etc. जो strong winds होती हैं, they damage all the things. As the cyclone reaches the land, it becomes weaker due to the lack of moisture on land and due to the friction with land. जब cyclone reach करता है land पे, तो then it becomes weaker. The eastern coast of India is more vulnerable to cyclones as compared to the western coast. So there are some precautions which have to be taken during the cyclones. Stay tuned to the local radio for updated news regarding thunderstorms and cyclones. Do not use gas or electrical appliances which have been in flood water without checking for safety. Do not go outside your house and do not walk through the flood water. Always keep drinking water separately as water sources can get contaminated during floods. Cyclone detection and warning. Cyclone warnings are given through a variety of media such as radio, television, fax and telefax, police wireless networks and newspapers. Through this all, cyclone warnings will be given at that time when cyclone will occur. A specially designed system called the Cyclone Warning Dissemination System that works on INSET satellite is used to forecast the cyclone warnings. Cyclone warnings are issued for the general public, fishermen, farmers, and different categories of users such as government officials responsible for disaster management, road transport, and railway department. Usually, cyclone warnings are given in 2 stages. The first stage is known as a cyclone alert or cyclone watch, which is issued 48 hours in advance of any expected cyclone. Cyclone warnings may be given in 2 stages. The first stage is known as cyclone alert or cyclone watch, और ये 48 hours पहले बताया जाता है. और the second stage is called a cyclone warning, issued 24 hours in advance. और second stage है cyclone warning, जो 24 hours पहले बताया जाता है. Tornadoes. Tornado क्या होता है? A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from the clouds to the ground. एक rotating type होता है column of air which is extended from the clouds to the ground. It appears as a funnel-shaped cloud that travels very fast. As you can see in the diagram also, that tornado it is in the shape of funnel. Tornadoes can appear from any direction. They mostly move from southwest to northeast direction or west to east direction. A tornado can last from a few seconds to an hour. Most tornadoes last for less than 10 minutes. So this is the time of the tornado. Tornadoes are very violent in nature. They can completely destroy even the strongest buildings, uproot trees, damage lives and hurl objects through the air. ये भी बहुत damage करता है tornado भी. The intensity of a tornado is measured in Fujita scale with ratings between F0 that causes minimal damage and F5 that causes maximum damage. So the intensity of a tornado is measured by this scale. The speed of the wind in a strong tornado is almost 500 km per hour. इस speed से ये आता है. Tornadoes that form in the ocean are called water spouts. So, here are some precautions to be taken during tornadoes. A tornado funnel can engulf objects from the surface of the earth due to low pressure inside and throw these back, causing destruction. So, some necessary precautions to be taken during tornadoes, some given below. Avoid opening windows and doors of houses. Occupy the ground floor and small rooms in your house. If you are outside or traveling in a vehicle, get out of it quickly and protect yourself by lying close to the ground by keeping your fingers interlocked, closing the ear and neck as shown in the figure 14.8. As you can see over here, like this you have to do when you face any type of tornado. So that's all about this chapter. Thank you.